Last week I asked you about the video tutorials you want during this week, and a majority of you wanted to make money online from mobile phone tutorials. So I did some research and came up with these 3 platforms that will pay you a decent amount of money and a free bot that will do all the work for you. Yes, you can do this from your mobile phone. Well, if you like, you can use a tablet, laptop, or even a computer as well. And guys, these platforms work worldwide, and make sure to be with me until the end of this video to know the highest paying and most effective platform out of the 3 platforms I'm gonna show you now. And if you really appreciate me doing all the hard work for you and coming up with these kind of legit ways of earning money online, leave a like to this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be one of the first ones to be notified whenever a new video pops up. And now let's start the tutorial, guys. And guess what, guys, the free bot that will help us to get paid today is Google Translate. Well, you'll be utilizing this free tool on the 3 platforms I'm about to show you, and these 3 platforms are ranked to the lowest paying to the highest paying, and I'll be giving you some important tips in the middle of this video, so make sure to stick with me until the end of this short video, guys. You know what, when you press this transcribe button or translate by voice button over here, everything you talk or play will be typed on the screen. That's called transcription. You can even transcribe English to Spanish or Spanish to English and lots of other languages with this free tool. So as you can see right here, Google Translate transcribed everything I said. And see, I chose Spanish over here and it has translated everything I talked in English to Spanish, guys. And there are thousands of businesses around the world that will pay you to transcribe. In the beginning, I told you that you can make money from your mobile phone. And yes, you can download Google Translate app to your mobile phone right now for free. No matter you use either Apple or Android, you can download this free app by searching Google Translate on either Apple App Store or Google Play Store, guys. So let's start making money with Google Translate without any effort. So the first website that will be paying us today is gotranscript.com. And as you can see, it has featured on Forbes, Huffington Spot, and Entrepreneur, some big media companies, and you can go over here and read their Trustpilot reviews. And guys, if you scroll down, you can see they're empowering their customers from the University of Cambridge, Brown, University of Chicago, Barcelona, Stanford University, Heidelberg University. They have some media customers as well: BBC, Netflix, Guardian, New York Times, and Carlsberg Group, Samsung, and many more such as Omega and Swisscom. And in order to get started, you have to scroll all the way down and go over to work for transcriptionists. And as they say, transcription jobs available worldwide. Join GoTranscript to be a part of a global team of professional transcriptionists. You don't have to be a professional transcriptionist at all here. So they pay competitive rates for all their online transcription jobs. The average earnings of this platform is $150, but the top monthly earnings is $1,215, which most likely you'll end up earning per month, because you'll not be transcribing anything yourself. The free tool will do everything for you with just one click of a button. So you can do as many of these transcription jobs as possible to get the maximum earnings. So the top monthly earnings will be more achievable utilizing this tool. Well, you can even do this as a side hustle, as it's not paying that much. It pays up to 60 cents per audio video minute. And if you go down, as they say, you can do transcription jobs from home, receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed, work as much as little as you want, whenever you want. So you can be your own boss. They say they get new transcribing jobs every day. You'll always have something to work on. They have some FAQs over here. You can read these as well if you want to. And you have to come all the way up to here and apply now. So you can start working from home. Well, you don't have to work. Google Translate will work for you guys. Now everyone in the world talks about work from home right now. So this is a great platform for you to start making money from home. And let's move on to the next platform. It's called gmrtranscription.com. This is even better, guys. And if you scroll down, you can see they have thousands of happy customers such as McDonald's, AT&T, Levi's, Microsoft, University of Oxford, Dell, Amazon, Discovery Channel. So lots of huge businesses come to gmrtranscription.com to get transcriptions or translations done. So in order to get started with this, you have to go over to careers, and as they say, transcribe better, earn better. A career with GMR transcription is rewarding. Our transcriptionists or translators typically earn between $1,000 to $3,000 per month depending on their skills and the kind of work they take. And they have current job openings for general transcription or Spanish transcription or translators. So in this case, they even pay more for Spanish transcriptions. Don't worry, you don't have to speak or type Spanish. As you already saw, you can go over to Google Translate and you saw what I talked earlier, and it has automatically translated to Spanish as well. So simple, right? I talked, Google Translate transcribed into English, and at the same time it translated this to Spanish. Amazing. So if you scroll through this site, you can see there are no fees or experience needed. Then you can work from home with flexibility, be your own boss, guys. And you can watch these transcribers testimonials. This is recommended by top level websites around the world. You can see the photos of some of the transcribers over here. And in order to get started, you have to click here to apply. As they say, no experience necessary. And now let's see the most reputable and highest paying transcription site out there. And before that, I really hope you are getting some value out of this video, and this will help you to start working from home. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already, do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So you have to come on to rev.com. It's already rev.com, rev.com. Well guys, this is where I personally go and spend thousands of dollars on transcriptionists. Meaning, you could have been on the other end of what I would have been giving you money, huh? Well, I personally come over to this site to get transcriptions done to my other YouTube channels and promotional videos. And here they pay $1.25 per minute for transcriptions and captions, and for foreign subtitles they pay from $3 to $7 per minute. And is also trusted by 170,000 plus customers across all industries such as CBS, PBS, Texas University, University of Michigan, UCLA, LegalZoom, and Visa, Amazon, Microsoft, Marriott Hotels. And you can read more and see. And to get started, you have to scroll all the way down and come over to careers over here under the about section. And here, careers at Rev. Rev is a startup based in San Francisco and Austin, building the most technologically advanced platform for freelance work. We are looking for enthusiastic and talented people to join us in creating work opportunities for millions of people around the world. And here also you can work from home, being your own boss, guys. Freedom and flexibility. Stay at home, come into the office, or work from your favorite coffee shop. We give our team the autonomy and chills needed for success. And it's really customer focused. You will get several jobs daily, and you can scroll down and see some transcriptionists like you and me who work over here. And here you can get paid, customize your workspace, make a difference, stretch yourself, have fun while working. Who wouldn't have loved to have fun while working? Work wherever you want. And in order to get started, you have to scroll all the way down and go over here and click this become a freelancer and start working at rev.com. So you can work from anywhere in the world from your mobile phone. And all you have to do is to get registered to these three platforms and start earning money, becoming your own boss and working from home. And guys, why not? Make sure you comment down your favorite platform out of those three platforms I showed you. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Share this video, like it, subscribe. Thanks for watching.